It's been 1 month since the Israel-Iran war began, and there's still no sign of it slowing down. The conflict started on February 28th when the United States and Israel launched coordinated strikes on Iran targeting military sites, missile systems, and top leadership. Iran also hit back hard. The US-Israel strikes have largely relied on a mix of fighter jets, precision-guided bombs, and long-range cruise missiles. For Iran, a key part of its response has been its weapons strategy. It has used waves of Shahed one-way attack drones which are slow, low-flying, and inexpensive, often launched in large numbers to overwhelm air defenses. These are then followed by ballistic missiles, which travel much faster and more deadly. Iran, in its response, didn't just target Israel. It also struck several Gulf countries that host American military bases, including Qatar, Bahrain, and the UAE, bringing more of the region directly into the conflict. The war quickly stopped being a two-country conflict. The fighting spread. Strikes were reported in Lebanon, Iran-backed groups stepped up attacks, and tensions rose sharply across the Gulf. The fear now is of a much wider regional war. On the ground, the impact has been intense. Tehran has seen repeated explosions. In Israel, air raid sirens have become part of everyday life. The human cost is climbing, with over 1,900 people reported killed in Iran and more than 1,100 in Lebanon. 18 people have died in Israel, while at least 13 American troops have been killed. Deaths have also been reported in a wider region, including in the occupied West Bank and Gulf states. But this war isn't just being fought only on the battlefield. It's also hitting the global economy. Iran has threatened the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical oil routes. That has pushed up crude prices and added fresh uncertainty to global markets. 1 month in, there are diplomatic efforts and talk of a possible ceasefire. But so far, there's been no breakthrough. Missiles are still being fired, strikes are still continuing, and the region remains on edge.